Let's take up multiple choice question based on group 18. The first question, the colored discharge tube for advertising mainly contains, so four options we have xenon, helium, neon and argon. Correct answer is C part. Neon is used in colored advertising discharge tubes. The maximum number of compounds are known in case of which of the following: neon, xenon, krypton, argon. Correct answer is xenon, and reason is it has largest size, lowest ionization enthalpy and highest polarizing power. The density of neon will be highest at STP 0 degree centigrade and 2 atmosphere, 273 degree centigrade and 1 atmosphere, 273 degree centigrade and 2 atmosphere. Correct answer is B part. 0 degree centigrade is the lowest temperature out of these and 2 atmosphere is the highest pressure. So density will be maximum at lowest temperature and highest pressure, because van der Waals force of attraction will be maximum, hence density will be maximum. Which of the following gaseous molecules is monoatomic? Chlorine is diatomic, helium is monoatomic, oxygen is diatomic, nitrogen is diatomic. Correct answer is helium. Which of the following noble gas is not found in atmosphere? Radon, krypton, neon, argon. Argon is found to maximum extent. Neon and krypton are also found in atmosphere to some extent. Radon is not found in atmosphere because it is radioactive and obtained by alpha decay of radium. Correct answer is A part. Helium is added to oxygen used by deep sea divers because it is less soluble in blood than nitrogen under high pressure. It is lighter than nitrogen. It is readily miscible with oxygen. It is less poisonous than nitrogen. Correct answer is A part. It is less soluble in blood than nitrogen under high pressure. Therefore, does not cause bends or pains in our body. So correct answer is A part. Which of the following statement is not correct? Argon is used in electric bulbs is correct statement. Krypton is obtained during radioactive disintegration. It's wrong. Half-life of radon is only 3.8 days. It's correct. Helium is used in producing very low temperature. Is correct. Correct answer is B part. Krypton is not obtained during radioactive disintegration. Rather, radon is obtained during radioactive disintegration. The inert gas abundantly found in atmosphere is argon, krypton, helium, xenon. Correct answer is argon. It is 0.9% found in air. So it is most abundant noble gas in atmosphere. Which of the following is planar? XeF4, XeOF4, XeO2F2, XeOF4. Correct answer is XeF4. It has square planar shape, sp3d, 2 hybridization and 2 lone pair of electrons. XeOF4 is square pyramidal, whereas XeO2F2 has seesaw shape. Correct answer is A part. The hybridization of xenon in XeF2 is sp3, sp2, sp3d, sp2d. Correct answer is sp3d, and it has 3 lone pair of electrons. That is why it is linear. So C part is the correct answer. Bond angle in XeO3 is 107, 103, 119, 92. Correct answer is 103. Which of the following is correct pair with respect to molecular formula of xenon compound and hybridization state of xenon in it? XeF4 sp3 is wrong because XeF4 is sp3d2 hybridization. XeF2 sp is wrong, it is sp3d hybridization. XeF2 sp3d hybridization is correct. XeF4 has sp3d2 hybridization. The correct answer is C part. What is formed when xenon combines with chlorine in presence of mercury vapor? XeF, Xe2F, XeF2, and XeF4. Correct answer is C part, XeF2 is formed. Xenon difluoride. In XeO3 and XeF6, the oxidation state of xenon are +4, no, +6, yes, +1, no, +3, no. So the correct answer is B part, x minus 6 equal to 0, x is equal to +6. X minus 6 equal to 0, x is equal to +6. In Fischer-Tropsch's method of separation of noble gases mixture from air, dash is used. Fill in the blanks. 90% calcium carbide and 10% calcium chloride. Coconut charcoal, soda lime and potash solution. 90% calcium carbonate and 10% urea. Correct answer is A part. And reason is calcium carbide is used to remove nitrogen as well as oxygen. It reacts with nitrogen to form calcium cyanamide plus carbon is formed. Carbon reacts with oxygen to first form carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide further gets oxidized to carbon dioxide. And this carbon, in presence of excess of oxygen, also gets oxidized to carbon dioxide. Calcium carbide can react with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and coke is formed, which is again converted into CO2. CO can be converted into CO2 by passing over heated copper oxide plus copper is formed. CO2 will be absorbed in KOH to form K2CO3 plus water. Water will be removed from noble gases with the help of concentrated sulfuric acid. Even if any traces of water are removed, they are removed with the help of phosphorus pentoxide. And after that, these noble gases are only left which are separated by fractional distillation of liquid air. The purpose of adding calcium chloride is to reduce the temperature of the reaction from 1000 degrees centigrade to 800 degrees centigrade. So correct answer is A part. Which of the following is not correct? Xenon trioxide has 4 sigma and 4 pi bonds. The hybridization of xenon in XeF4 is sp3d2 is correct. Among noble gases, the occurrence of argon is highest in air is correct. Liquid helium is used as cryogenic liquid. It is used in cryosurgery. It is correct. So the wrong statement is A part. Xenon trioxide has 4 sigma bond and 4 pi bond is wrong. It has 3 sigma bond, 3. Xenon trioxide has 3 sigma bond, 3 pi bonds and 1 lone pair of electrons. It has a pyramidal shape and sp3 hybridization. Xenon hexafluoride reacts with silica to form xenon compound X. The oxidation state of xenon in X is +2, +4, +6, 0. Correct answer is +6. Let's take up explanation. Xenon hexafluoride cannot be kept in glass bottles because it reacts with silica present in glass to form SiF4 and xenon trioxide. This is the X asked in the question. So X is xenon trioxide where oxidation state of xenon is +6. So XeF6 is stored in vessels or containers made up of monal metal, which is an alloy of nickel. It cannot be stored in glass bottles because it reacts with silica, forming silicon tetrafluoride and xenon trioxide. Here correct answer is C part because xenon trioxide oxidation state of xenon is +6. In Devar's method of separation of noble gases, the mixture of noble gases is kept in contact with the coconut charcoal at 173 Kelvin. Which of the following gases mixture is not absorbed on the charcoal? These are the options given. Correct answer is helium and neon. Reason that they have got less surface area and least van der Waals force of attraction and therefore they are most difficult to liquefy among these. So correct answer is B part. In which of the following molecules, xenon trioxide, XeOF4, XeF6, those having same number of lone pairs on xenon? First and second, first and third, second and third, first, second and third. Correct answer is first, second and third. Reason is xenon trioxide has one lone pair of electron and 3 double bond, it forms pyramidal shape sp3 hybridization. XeOF4 sp3d2 hybridization, square pyramidal shape, one lone pair of electrons. XeF6 sp3d3 hybridization, one lone pair, distorted octahedral shape. So all of them have one lone pair of electrons on xenon. That's why D part is the correct answer. Next question, number of lone pairs of electrons on xenon atoms in XeF2, XeF4, XeF6 molecules respectively are 321, 432, 231 and 320. Xenon difluoride has 3 lone pair of electrons, XeF4 has 2 lone pair of electrons and XeF6 has 1 lone pair of electrons, so A part is the correct answer. Which is the most easily liquefiable rare gas or noble gas? Easily liquefiable gas is xenon because it has largest surface area, largest van der Waals force of attraction, so most easily liquefiable. Most difficult to liquefy among these is neon, and most difficult among noble gases is helium because it has least van der Waals force of attraction, least surface area. In separation of noble gases mixture from air by Rayleigh's first method, the substance used for removal of nitrogen and oxygen respectively are copper and magnesium, magnesium and copper, carbon and calcium carbide, KOH solution. Correct answer is B part, magnesium and copper. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride. Copper reacts with oxygen to form copper oxide. So nitrogen and oxygen are completely removed and remaining gases can be liquefied and separated with the help of fractional distillation. And they have different absorbing power on the coconut charcoal. Which is the correct order of occurrence by weight in air, neon, argon and krypton? Neon is greater than argon is greater than krypton. Neon is greater than krypton is greater than argon. Argon is greater than krypton is greater than neon. Argon is greater than neon is greater than krypton. Correct answer is D part. So argon is most abundant and krypton is least abundant. The compound in which the number of d-pi p-pi bonds are equal to those present in ClO4 minus XeF4, XeO3, XeO4, XeF6. Correct answer is XeO4. Both have got same number of p-pi d-pi bonds. Both have similar structure, that is tetrahedral. Xenon tetraoxide has got all the double bonds, whereas ClO4 minus has 3 double bonds and 1 single bond with negatively charged. But p-pi d-pi bonds are equal. The formation of O2 plus PtF6 minus is the basis for the formation of xenon fluoride. This is because oxygen and xenon have comparable size. Both oxygen and xenon are gases. Oxygen and xenon have comparable ionization enthalpy or energies. D part both A and C. Correct answer is D part both A and C.